Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise. Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 15.2 question number 4. Make an oblique sketch for each one of the given isometric shapes. You have to make these isometric shapes. Let us make. The first one is how many units you see? 1, 2. First you see how many units are there. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 unit. Let us take 6 unit. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we've taken 6 unit. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 unit. Let us take 4 unit. Let us take 4 unit. That is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right? In this, here it is take 2 unit. That is 1 and 1, 2 unit. Right? Here you take 2 unit. That is 1 plus 1, 2 unit. Right? Here you take 1, 2, 3, 4 unit. Here you take 4 unit. That is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right? And here you take 2 unit. Here you take 2 unit. That is 1, 1, 2 unit. Right? Here you also take 2 unit. That is 1 and 1, 2 unit. Right? And here you take 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 unit. That is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right? And here you take 2 unit. That is 1, 1, 2. Right? And here you also you take 2 unit. That is 1 and 1, 2 unit. Right? Here also you take 2 unit. That is 1 plus 1, 2 unit. Right? And here also it is 2 unit. That is 1 plus 1, 2 unit. And here also 2 unit. You take 1 plus 1, 2 unit. Here also you take 2 unit, 1 plus 1. Right? Here also take 2 unit, 1 plus 1. Right? You see, and all this you have taken is 2 unit. This is 2 unit. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6 unit. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4 unit. And this is 2 unit. This is 2 unit. This is 2 unit. Right? All these are 2 units. This is also 2 unit. This is also 2 unit. This is also 2 unit. Right? This is the oblique sketch. This is the oblique sketch of this one. Oblique sketch of this one. This is question number 1. This is the oblique sketch. O B L I Q U E oblique sketch S K E T C H. Okay. Let's solve the second question. Let us take the second question. Let us take the second question. Second question is, here you see this one. Second question is, make an oblique sketch for each one of the following. The second figure is like this. See this one, you have to make this one, this figure, right? Let us take an oblique figure of this one. Okay, let us draw this one. How many points is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 unit. This is 4 unit. That means from here we will take 4 unit. From here we will take, right? From here it is 4 unit. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 4 unit. 1, 2, 3 and 4 unit, right? Here also you take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here you take 5 unit, that is 1, 2, 3. No, you will take more than that. 5 unit. Let us start from here. Let us grab this one. Let us do it again. This we have to take 4 unit, right? This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We take 5 unit, right? Let us take from here. Let us take 5 unit from here. Let us take 5 unit. That is, we are taking here from here actually. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have taken 5 unit here, right? And height is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in this direction 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next video we'll do the second problem. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.